everybody. How are you all? Good. I'm so happy to hear that. Have you guys been going outside? Me too. I love to be outside. The weather's been so nice, hasn't it? Yes, it's been so fun. So, did you know that the theme for our reading program for this summer is like a camping theme? It's called Read Beyond the Beaten Path. Has everybody signed up for that? I hope so. Yeah, fun. Good job, everybody. So our first craft for that is going to be something that's going to help us for when we're outside, either camping or hiking. Or, I mean, you could probably bring it with you to a store or something too, if your mom says, your big person says it's okay. So have your big person with you, because you may need their help a little bit for this project, okay? But you don't have to worry about putting on clothes that will get messy, because this isn't a messy project. All right, it's a fun one, but it's not a messy one, so you're good there. So go get your big person, and then we will get started. Good job. We are making today a necklace, and we're going to be using this, which is, we call it a lanyard, but you can call it a necklace. And we're using this because it breaks apart really easily. The reason that I like that is so that you don't get choked. I get nervous sometimes when things go around your neck, and if they get hooked on something, sometimes it can choke you, and I don't like that. So this one, if it gets hooked on something, it breaks apart. That might have looked like it hurt, but I didn't actually feel much. I just saw my hair flap. But it breaks apart, so you're not going to get choked at by this. That's what I love about this, okay? That's the first important thing. The second thing you're going to have is a whistle. Now, not everybody's will be yellow. Some will be a different color, okay? And it's a good whistle. You can, well, I'm going to blow it quietly a little bit because I am recording this in the library. So we have to be a little bit quiet, right? Yeah. So that was a quiet one. Now you can blow it even louder. And maybe outside. Make sure your big person's okay with that. You're also going to have a flashlight. What's really neat about this flashlight is it doesn't use batteries. How do you think it works then? Good question. Yes, it uses this button right here and hand power. So you're going to use your hand and you're going to pump it, okay? So you're going to pump that button, pump it, pump it, pump it with whatever hand you're going to use. And then you can push this up and it turns on. So the more you pump this, the longer your light will work. Isn't that neat? No batteries, so it won't run out of batteries. That's a great thing to have. We're using this necklace because sometimes if you go, have you ever gone on a hike? Let's just say you've gone on a hike in the forest preserve. I'm just gonna say we're with the forest preserve. You're with your family and you're all hiking and it's so fun, and oh, you stopped for a second because in that tree you saw a red bird. Did anybody else see that red bird? And then you look back and your family is gone, or whoever you're with, right? Because you stopped but they didn't realize it and maybe kept going, or maybe it happened a different way, okay? But what happens is maybe you get a little scared, plus now you don't know where you are and they don't know where you are. How do you think they can find you? Or you find them? How do you think that's going to happen? Well, we're going to use your necklace. Yeah. Did you know also, it's important that if you do get lost in something like that in the forest, you should stay right where you are. Just so stay right where you are. Don't go wandering, because when they come looking for you, if you're wandering and they're wandering, you guys may never find each other, because you could be wandering this way, same as them wandering, or maybe you guys are wandering in opposite directions, and that's going different ways. So you just want to stay right where you are and let them do the wandering so they can come and find you, okay? Now, one way that they can find you is you can have your necklace on. And let's make our necklace so I can show you really quick. So we're going to take our lanyard, okay? And there's a little hook at the end. This is where your big person may need to help you. You're going to want to push that hook in. It pushes in like that. And then you're going to want to put this little hole with the whistle right into that hook. All right? and then it holds it. Now your lanyard is holding your whistle. Then we're going to take your flashlight, which has already a little handle on there, and you're just going to slide your flashlight onto one side of your necklace, like this. All right, so there you go. You have made yourself a safety necklace. You put this on while you're hiking. You're walking around, so now you've gotten lost, right? You decided, I'm lost. You're going to stay where you are, because remember we talked about that. You know what you can do? Because if you're in a forest preserve, there's lots of trees. Hug a tree. Perfect. So you're hugging your tree, but still it might be hard for someone to find you, so we're going to make noise. We're going to take our whistle, we're going to hug that tree, and we're going to keep whistling. And those people that are looking for you are going to be able to find you by your noise and because you're in one spot. So this is what makes this really fun and safe. Plus, if it's a little dark, now you can pump this because you don't have to worry about the battery dying, and you have light. Or while you're waiting for them to come find you and you're whistling, so you can be whistling at the same time, you can examine stuff like the bugs maybe. So this is a perfect safety necklace to have with you when you go camping or on a hike or on a walk or wherever you think might be a good place to have it, just in case you get lost. So you guys have fun making this, and I hope to see you a lot this summer, and have fun being outside and read, because you can read outside. It's actually kind of relaxing. So have fun making this. Let me see some pictures of you guys maybe on your hike or your walk or out camping with it. That would be great. And have fun, which I said about 10 times, which is fine because that's the point. Have fun. And I'll see you guys in hopefully a lot this summer. Bye, everybody.